Did you know just 5 simple exercises can completely transform how your body looks and feels? Stick with me, because these moves will not only make you stronger, but also reverse years of damage from sitting in bad posture. Our first exercise is the dead hang. You've probably seen people just hanging from a pull-up bar and thought, how is this even useful? Well, it's one of the best ways to improve shoulder health, decompress your spine, and build grip strength. Don't worry if you don't have a gym membership. You can do this at home with a simple doorway pull-up bar. Start by gripping the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Let your body hang naturally. Keep your shoulders relaxed and core engaged. Try 20-30 seconds and work up to 1-2 minutes. Next up, the glute bridge. This move strengthens your glutes, stabilizes your core, and eases tight hip flexors. It's especially important if you sit a lot or deal with lower back tension. To perform it, lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and lift your hips by pressing through your heels. Squeeze your glutes at the top and keep your core tight. Hold for 2-3 seconds, then slowly lower. Now let's move to the farmer carry. At first glance, it looks like just walking with weights, but it's actually a powerhouse exercise for your shoulders, core, grip, and posture. Plus, it directly mimics real-life activities like carrying groceries or luggage. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest up, core engaged. Walk slowly and steadily for 30-60 seconds while keeping weights close to your body. This trains your body to handle heavy loads safely. Our fourth movement is the resting squat. It's a natural human position, but modern lifestyles make it hard for many people. This builds lower body strength while restoring mobility in your hips, knees, and ankles. Start with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out, and sink into a deep squat. Keep your chest up, heels flat, and back straight. Aim for 20-30 seconds, then progress to 1-2 minutes. Finally, thread the needle. This rotational movement targets the thoracic spine, shoulders, and upper back. It's perfect if you sit at a desk all day or deal with stiffness and poor posture. Start on all fours, thread one arm under your body, rotating the torso as you follow your hand with your eyes. Then rotate back and reach up to the sky. Focus on slow, controlled movements for maximum benefit. Here's how to combine these into a 20-minute workout, 3 times a week. Dead hang, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Glute bridge, 2 sets of 10-15 reps. Farmer carry, 3 rounds of 30-60 seconds. Thread the needle, 2 sets of 10 reps per side. Resting squat, 2-3 rounds of 20-30 seconds. Done consistently, these moves will build strength, mobility, and flexibility, and you'll feel the difference fast. If you're ready to look younger, feel stronger, and move pain-free, start with these 5 exercises today. Share this video with a friend who needs it, and don't miss my next video on the ultimate healthy lifestyle blueprint. Your future self will thank you.